This is how you increase and decrease double crochet stitches. So to increase any stitch in crochet, all you have to do is work 2 stitches into 1. To increase a double crochet at the beginning of a row, all you have to do is put 1 double crochet into that first stitch, and that's because the turning chain already counts as a stitch, and that makes this an increase. This video is part of a series where I show you how to increase and decrease at the beginning and at the end of a row using single crochet, half double crochet, and in this video, double crochet. So once you make it to the end of your row, you're going to put 2 double crochet into that top turning chain. And this is where it gets a little embarrassing because I made that top turning chain a little too tight and I'm having a hard time getting my hook in. So bear with me. I really hope somebody understands because I didn't want to refilm the whole thing just because of one little stitch. But I'm going to put 2 double crochet into it to increase at the end of a row. Now for this decrease, we're going to have some fun. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Then we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the next stitch and pull up another loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 and yarn over and pull through 3. And that is how you crochet 2 double crochet stitches together. At the end of the row, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Then we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the top of the turning chain, yarn over, pull it through the chain to pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 3 again. If you enjoy these kind of videos,